Sanbonan guys, and Molwen. Hope you are enjoying the rest of your day, your week. Guys, Ishaka Ilembe 2 will be coming to our screens very soon, guys. Shaka Ilembe 2 is coming to our screen, guys. You know what they bring? They bring all the drama, all the fights, the strongest warriors. Now, nje, it's even more hectic because I think I did see there will be Europeans involved. It will be like a real Shaka war. Like they are taking us back to where it all started, Yokbana. So this time around, we can see the king being betrayed by his own brother, and the brother fled away. Hey, I must say, Bana Shaka Ilembe makeup team, I heads up, guys. Heads up, cause the way they would just change people's faces, guys. The way people would just change faces. Like you can see this guy, Barikimang. Oh, this guy that was playing on Uzalo, the way he looks so old, guys. I have to give it to them. Let's just give the makeup crew their flowers. They deserve the bells, cause wow, no, they know their story. Respect to Ishaka Ilembe. So we'll see now they will be fighting against Europeans, just like back in the days where kutakulwela umhlaba wethu kubana hayi. So we can see nje it's gonna come down to everything, kubana the blood and sweat of abantu abansundu, when they refuse ukubana no man, this is ours and we're not allowing anyone taking it. So nje, it's coming back. Let's keep on our screen glued from the 15th of June. Soon guys. Soon. We are in April now. It's April, May, and then 15th of June. It will just be around the corner. It will be winter in South Africa, cold and cozy, and we can stay in and watch our screen where we'll be enjoying the entertainment of Ishaka Ilembe.